Alright, kaka-out ko lang sa work and I'm gonna share with you my headset that I am using currently sa aking work from home setup. This is the eMyth Noise Cancellation, which is I highly recommend if you are a VA, freelancer, or call center agent and ESL, because has an effective noise cancellation and quality, built-in quality. And as you can see, sa kanyang taas, meron siyang foam which is napaka-comfortable sa ulo. Fortunately, medyo nababakbak na siya since 2 years na to sa akin. But the good thing is, yung kanyang earphone foam, mga foam na to, still buo and maganda pa rin. Ayan. Type-C na rin to if you were using phone sa mga ESL teaching, and as well computer with has updated Type-C, compatible to. But if you don't have, it has a dongle, Type-C to Type-A. If you're using Samsung, which is my phone currently, it's Samsung, so compatible siya sa mga Samsung. Ayan, I have electric fan as of the moment. I'm gonna share and flex to you how it turns out kapag gagamitin mo na siya. So, tignan niyo yung transition niya from my phone's microphone to this USB noise cancellation. So, pwede siya. Malayo siya yung kanyang mouthpiece sa mouth ko, pero it still loud and clear. 'Di ba? Naririnig niyo pa ba yung electric fan? Tignan niyo. Diba? Ang layo-layo ng kanina sa ngayon. Sorry for the mess. Medyo where you can buy on our yellow basket, and then I'm gonna as well show you the image here as a reference. So, order na habang marami pang stocks.